and speaking the first one stage is interaction. Lumbane chikamde mungasa speaking misal aja introduction nazi सही है जदास्ता फजहन की सही है क्या पर introduction की mungasa sini. Now this is the second one. Now in Oxford ELT speaking test, the first one part is introduction. Introduction part is expected about the time. If we talk about the time duration, so the examiner is taking 4 to 5 minutes on introduction part. सही ना? Introduction के मुझे सर examiner से मुझे time रख लिया लगा
4 to 6 या 5 minutes.
5 minutes. सही ना? दाची कम दे मुझे सर जब test start की ना दा मुझे सर पर introduction की 4 to 5 minutes रख लिया. सही तो? Now examiner चिकम दे मतलब दी के तपुसु न मुंगा न सके तो introduction की no introduction की लुम्बने question चिकम दे examiner ताता star name tapusu की okay Mr. how can I call you means tata is a number station मतलब और तो my name is Kamil Khan but you can call me Kamil so इधर जमा Kamil Khan name दे खुद तो माता Kamil वेलेशी बिया बताते examiner which okay I am your speaking examiner. Like for example, he will also mention the name. I am Jawad Ahmad for your speaking Oxford ELT examiner. See that? Now, I am going to conduct your speaking module, speaking test. So, are you ready for that? Yes, I am ready for that. Zada para ready. Lumane question marata na sake ista the identity chicken makai means sta nama sta the passport the post. Ita the okay. Show me your passport, please. Passport photo. Okay. So that is my passport. Okay. You have to just like bring your passport near to the camera. Camera is there. About the camera is there also passport. Tata boy. Okay. Turn some pages. So pages wala. Pages but the camera makita wale in your passport. Say that. Bal. ताना चिकन में मतलब the bosu की बेबता तो इच okay show me the back side of your passport. Okay sir, here is it. Back side of your that's my back side of your passport. सही ना? तो ये मखबरा चिताना the back side might he will ask the passport number. ताना में the passport number the bosu की okay. Tell me your passport number. Okay sir, my passport number is SQ1822163. This is my passport. See, that's my passport number. Again about, chicken order the passport number way. Again about the sta introduction means sta baraki tapostu. Like for example, Simya tapostu he will tell you, okay, tell me about yourself. Mata Palzan baraki waya. So now introduce yourself.
First of all,
Good, continue. Why?
my full name is Muhammad Kamil Khan and my father's name is Imran Khan. I am from Madan. I complete my bachelor degree from Khyber Medical University, Peshawar. Now I am currently as a training nursing officer in Madan Medical Complex Hospital.
Very good. That खबर ही बोल confidence वाला बात है slow बटन of careful. Examiner the batoli major sare confident means takra de sahi na okay can you talk about your education background?
Okay sir, my education background is I complete my bachelor degree in nursing from Khyber Medical University, Peshawar.
Very good, that's great, that's amazing. Now if he like for example if he just like listen your introduction part, like for example you just say all of the details about yourself, so might he will ask another question regarding to your activities, regarding to your education, regarding to yourself as well. आगा जब हमने मतलब तो तकबल introduction में हो गया बताना more questions वो लेशी बिया test ना दा started हो ना बाकी the introduction ना part ना बाकी start जब हमने room checking means just a room baguri tata boy okay please just show me your room in E16 mata matlab room ho hai matlab water pass okay sir That is the main door of my room. That is the first corner. That is the second corner. This is the third corner of my room, and this is the last one corner of my room. And this is the table on which I am sitting. Now, a table is this is my chair. And that okay. Okay, thank you. Have a seat. Plus, Rashi, job pakere, और वापस पर कैमरे में कितना? सही है? अभी ना बात मतलब चिद्दास था कि प्रोसेस की रूम चेकिंग की इसका पासपोर्ट चेकिंग मतलब आगे के द्वद्रे में चला चेकिंग दाद दिल्ली के उनका ना मतलब मख की और मुझे कल मतलब स्टा रूम चेकिंग की हो गया ऊपर से पासपोर्ट चेकिंग की हो गया मतलब मुद्दे की द्वद्रे में टपदी की सही ना मुझे कल दा वो लगी बेस्टा इंट्रोडक्शन स्टा बारे के मतलब तपोसु की आवाज़ आना तो मतलब इंट्रोडक्शन तो की أين بعد عليك بيت أنا question زم كولش. That way, okay. You completed your bachelor degree in nursing. So can you tell me that on which one subject would you like to apply for a master? अलग कम ही degree that you can make a master तब apply college. Cover why? Can I tell you? Yes, you know I completed my bachelor in BS, like I completed my BS in nursing. So now I would like to also apply for my master degree
in nursing
related relevant subject. I would like to apply for it. सही ना? गाशो अगेन about this type of hobbies बारे के इंसान questions coverage that way जो कि what are your free time activities? Free time के तस्से के मतलब yes, you know, when I am having free time, so mostly I am watching movies for I'm doing सही ना? But और तो दाम वेले शी you know I am reading different sort of novels or books when I'm having free time. दा खबर है शो no total जिकम ने step by step introduction की total that question I mean about this presentation. नन बमुंगा totally questions लिख the introduction सही है?